Well, I think the entire Widetech line has been a fulfilling project. When we compare this whole lineup to our competition, based on color, styling, and value for the money, I don't think anybody can stand up to us. In the 186, we've got a finished fiberglass flooring system. So basically, we took out all the wood below the floor. This allows for us finished fiberglass storage throughout the whole boat, from bow to the aft bench seat and even in the side panels. In the 186, we have analog gauges in this boat. All the switches and breakers integrated into that switch panel. We've got the MP3 plug so that you can bring on an iPod, your iPhone, and plug it in. Some of the options on the 186 are snap-in carpet, we've got a wakeboard tower, and this boat is available in many graphic and color combinations. The extended biplane hull adds to performance. Basically, it allows us to get up on plane quicker and a better ride.